Myself, Krishna. Today I want to present briefly on Artex data analysis for automation for internship. What is Artex data analysis for automation? Artex data automation that allows user to prepare data binding and analyze visualize data. It is widely used in tasks such as data cleaning, transformation, predictive modeling, and reporting. Understands of data analysis process. There are three types: mixing data, data cleaning, data preparation. Data binding combines data from multiple sources into a single and unified data set. Data cleaning identify the correct data, inconsistencies, errors, and outliers to ensure accuracy. Data preparation transfer data into a format suitable for analysis, including formatting, aggregation, and filtering. Artex relies on flow quantification. There are four ways: drag and drop interface, visual workflow, extension tools, and interface environment. Drag and drop interface is a core feature of data analysis. It is used to simplify the analyzing, data blending, and data pre-processing. Visual workflow it provides a clear and understanding the visual representation of the data flow and analysis process. Extension tools. These tools are used to analyze the data with a wide range of tools for various data manipulations and analysis tasks. Interface environment allows user to test and define their workflows. Workflow real-time, reducing accuracy and efficiency. Predictive modeling and machine learning are always there are we have machine learning algorithm to analyzing data into three models: regression, category, classification, and clustering. Regression predicts the model continuous values. Classification analysis analyzes the model in classification analysis like clustering analysis is a group for data points based on the similar items. Sharing insights, collaboration, Artex product. There are three: data visualization, collaboration tools, how it is used. Data visualization creates intelligent dashboards, reports to communication tool. That means data visualization you can create the process of the project visualization model. Collaboration tools are the software application platforms enables multiple individual teams. That means collaboration tools are used to collaborate different teams in the same project. How to integrate? Integration also refers to a digital interface that allows users to engage in the direct managing feedback and response. That means cloud integration enables the users to integrate the project and increase the scalability. Challenges faced in the project. These are the cases problems of the project: limited data availability, data quality issues, workflow complexity, learning curve, time constraints. Overcome challenges. Instead of the problems of the project, these are the overcomes: data availability, data quality issues, workflow complexity, learning curves, time constraints. Data availability. Data availability means we take the data in the correct. That means without duplicate values and space. Data quality issues. We use the high quality data. That means we take the after cleaning the data and reprocessing the data. Conclusion: this internship provides a valuable opportunity to improve our skills and capitalize